Cracks in the foundation, generally your diagonal cracks are indicative of inward and or outward movement, so lateral this direction. And often your vertical cracks are either shrinkage or settlement. So some things you look at are with vertical cracks are things like, is it wider at the top than it is at the bottom, or vice versa? And that's going to more indicate some vertical movement somewhere, versus if it's a pretty straight crack, maybe on a form seam and really consistent in there, that's likely shrinkage. Horizontal cracking kind of depends. Some cases that can be also inward deflection like bowing. Other cases it could be rebar spalling or rebar popping. Typically how you could tell the difference is if that horizontal crack runs all the way into a corner and even wraps a corner, that's generally rebar pop, versus if before it gets to the corner, it either dives down to a diagonal to the floor or up diagonal to the ceiling, then that's going to be more conducive of bowing happening. With regards to sheetrock, I would say it kind of depends if it's a joint in the sheetrock, which would be either perfectly straight up and down or horizontal. That could be several things and not even be a foundation issue. If it's physically tearing a diagonal or it's not following a joint in the original wallboard there, then that is most likely a foundation issue.